Already we know the formula for NPR is n factorial upon n minus r factorial, and the formula for NCR is n factorial upon r factorial times of n minus r factorial, where 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n. From these two implies we can write NCR is NPR by r factorial, or also this implies r factorial equal to NPR by NCR, and NCR equal to NCS, then R equal to S or N equal to R plus S. NCR equal to NCS, then R equal to S or N equal to R plus S. And another one, NCR minus 1 plus NCR, that is N plus 1 CR. NCR minus 1 plus NCR is N plus 1 CR. NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to N minus R plus 1 by R. NCR by NCR minus 1 is N minus R plus 1 by R. And NCR plus 1 by NCR, that is N minus R by R plus 1. By using these formulae, we can do the problems. See the given problem, NC3 equal to NC9, then find the value of NC3. Now, the given form is NCR equal to NCS, then R equal to S or N equal to R plus S. The given problem is of the form NCR equal to NCS, then R equal to S or N equal to R plus S. Given NC3 is equal to NC9, then R equal to S means 3 is equal to 9 will come, it's not possible. Then N equal to R plus S, that is 3 plus 9. So the N value becomes to 12. Therefore, we have to find the value of NC3, that is 12C3. 12C3 value can be find 12 into 11 into 10 by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2, 6. 6 2 times get cancelled, 12 is there. So, 2 into 11, 22. 22 into 10, that is 220. Therefore, the value of NC3 for this problem, 220. Come to the next problem. The value of 1 into 3 into 5 into so on 2n minus 1 into 2 to the power n. The given form is 1 into 3 into 5 so on 2n minus 1 into 2 to the power n. If we observe the given form, there are only odd numbers. So, even numbers are not there. That's why we multiply and divide the missing values, missing numbers. Those are like 1 into 3 into 5, so on, 2n minus 1 into 2 into 4 into 6 into and so on, 2n by 2 into 4 into 6 and so on, 2n into 2 to the power n is there. Now, this equal to, if we observe the numerator part, 1 into 3 into 5 and so on 2n minus 1 into 2 into 4 into 6 and so on 2n. We can write this as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and so on 2n minus 1 into 2n. Right like that? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and so on 2n minus 1 into 2n by, come to the denominator part, 2 into 4 into 6 and so on 2n is there. So, if we observe these values, all these can be written as multiple of 2. That like that. 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 and so on 2 into n into 2 to the power n. Then this is 1 into 2 into 3 and so on 2n minus 1 into 2n. In numerator part is there. That can be written as 2n factorial by, come to the denominator part, 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 and so on 2 into n. That means obviously 2 is n times there, then that is 2 to the power n into 1 into 2 into 3 and so on n, that is n factorial into 2 to the power n. This 2 to the power n get cancelled, then remaining part is 2n factorial by n factorial. Therefore, 1 into 3 into 5 and so on 2n minus 1 into 2 to the power n, that is 2n factorial by n factorial. Come to the next problem. N minus 1 C3 plus n minus 1 C4 is greater than NC3. The given form is of the form NCR minus 1 plus NCR, that is n plus 1 CR. So, by using this formula, we can do this problem. Then it is n minus 1 C3 plus n minus 1 C4. That value becomes to NC4 is greater than NC3. This implies we can write NC4 by NC3 is greater than 1. Again we can apply the formula, that is NCR by NCR minus 1 is n minus r plus 1 by r. So this implies n minus 4 plus 1 by 4 is greater than 1, that is n minus 3 greater than 4, that means n is greater than 7. Therefore, n minus 1 C3 plus n minus 1 C4 is greater than NC4. And the next one is the value of 47 C4 plus sigma r equal to 1 to 5, 52 minus r C3. Then this problem given 47 C4 plus sigma r equal to 1 to 5. That means we can expand this summation by using r values in the given form. Then if r is equal to 1, this will come 51 C3, r equal to 2, 50 C3 and so on. R equal to 5, this value becomes to 47 C3 plus r equal to 4, this is 48 C3, r equal to 3, 49 C3 plus r equal to 2, 50 C3 plus r equal to 1, it becomes 51 C3. So, in this we can apply the formula NCR minus 1 plus NCR is N plus 1 CR. Then this is 47C4 plus 47C3, that is 48C4 plus 48C3 plus 49C3 plus 50C3 plus 51C3. Again we can apply the same formula for 48C4 plus 48C3. Then it is 49C4 plus 49C3 plus 50C3 plus 51C3. For these two we can apply the formula same 50C4 plus 50C3 plus 51C3. Then for these two 51C4 will come plus 51C3. Then the value becomes to 52C4. Therefore, 47C4 plus sigma R equal to 1 to 5, 52 minus R C3, that is 52C4. Suppose we want to find 47C4 plus sigma R equal to 0 to 5, 52 minus R C3. Then this will becomes to 53C4. By expanding sigma R equal to 0 to 5 like this, then 53C4 will come. The number of solutions of 60Cn plus 1, that equal to 60C2n minus 1. So, this is of the form NCR equal to NCS, then R equal to S or N equal to R plus S. So, by applying this, we can get N plus 1 is equal to 2n minus 1 or 60 equal to N plus 1 plus 2n minus 1. This implies the value of N is 2, and from this implies plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. 3n equal to 60, the value of N is 20. So, the values of N are 2 or 20. Therefore, number of solutions equal to 2 solutions. The values of N are 2 and 20. So, N values 2 values there. That means the values of N are 2 values. So, number of solutions is 2. Come to the next problem. If N and R are integers, 1 less than or equal to R, less than or equal to N, then find the value of N into Cn minus 1 comma R minus 1. So, that is N into Cn minus 1 comma R minus 1, that is also nothing but N minus 1 C R minus 1. Now, by applying NCR formula here, then we can write N into N minus 1 factorial by N minus 1 minus of R minus 1 factorial into R minus 1 factorial. Then, see the numerator part. N into N minus 1 factorial. That can be denoted as like N factorial by N minus 1 minus of R minus 1. If you take this minus inside, then what we get? Minus R plus 1. So, minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled. Remaining part here, N minus R factorial into R minus 1 factorial. Here, we have to do one thing. What's that? R minus 1 factorial is there. So, if we multiply and divide with this R into R minus 1 factorial can be written as R factorial. So, then it is N factorial by N minus R factorial. r into r minus 1 factorial can be denoted as r factorial into r. Then this is for NCR. Now NCR into r. Therefore n into n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial can be written as NCR into r. Therefore n into n minus 1 cr minus 1, that is NCR into r. Come to the next concept, selection of dissimilar things. There are n different things. N different things are there. We select r things. Select things r. So number of ways of select r things from n dissimilar things, in which I things included. I things included. That is n minus I c r minus I. E things excluded. E things excluded. That is n minus e cr. I things included and e things excluded. I things included and e things excluded. That is n minus I minus e cr minus I. So upon this formula we can do the problems. Number of ways of select r things out of n dissimilar things, in which I things included n minus I cr minus I. E things excluded n minus e cr. I things included and e things excluded is n minus I minus e cr minus I. Come to the problems based on this concept. Given problem is, there are 10 balls of different colors. That means n equal to 10 given. There are 10 balls of different colors. So n equal to 10. The number of ways we can select 7 of them. So r equal to 7 given. So as to include the red ball always, including things given by I. So I equal to 1. Then required number of ways. Include the red ball always. So there are 10 balls of different colors. So each ball is of different color. That means obviously red ball is 1 only. So include the red ball always. That means I equal to 1. So required number of ways in which including things are given, then it is n minus I c r minus I. Put the values 10 minus 1 c 7 minus 1. That is 10 minus 1 c 7 minus 1 is 9c6. 9c6 is the same as 9c3. Since NCR is NCn minus r. So 9c6 is same as 9c3. To find the value of 9c3, write like 9 into 8 into 7 by 3 into 2 into 1. Put the values. 3 times get cancelled, 9 is there. 2 4 times get cancelled, 8 is there. So 3 into 4 into 7, that value becomes to 84. Come to the next problem. There are 12 balls of different colors. That is n equal to 12 given. 12 balls of different colors. So n is 12. The number of ways in which we can select 5 of them. So select things denoted by r. So r equal to 5 given. So as to exclude the white and black balls. So each ball is of different color. So white ball is 1 ball and black ball is 1 ball. Exclude white and black balls means there are excluding balls 2 balls. Then required number of ways n minus e CR. Put the values 12 minus 2 C5, that is 10 C5. So 10 C5 value to be find 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. By cancellation 5 into 2 10, this cancel, 10 get cancelled. 4 2 times get cancelled and 3 times cancelled. Then 3 into 2 6, 6 into 7 42, 42 into 6, 42 into 6, then the value 252 will come. So there are excluding things, required number of ways n minus e CR. Come to the next problem. From a class of 30 students, so n equal to 30 is there. Number of ways of select cricket team of 11 players. So select things denoted by R. So R equal to 11 is there. Which includes the captain and vice captain, including things given by I. So I is captain and vice captain. So 2 members are included. So I is 2. And excludes 4 particular players, excluding things given by and denoted by E. So exclude 4 particular players. So E is 4. Therefore, required number of ways including and excluding things are there. Then it is n minus I minus E CR minus I. Put all the values. 30 minus 2 minus 4 C 11 minus 2. Then this value is 24 C9. Including things and excluding things are there. Then required number of ways n minus I minus E CR minus I. See the next problem. A person with 6 words takes 3 at a time. So n equal to 6 is given and R equal to 3 is given. Without taking, a person with 6 words takes 3 at a time to a park. Without taking the same 3 children, how often each child goes to park? So, each number of ways of each child goes to park. We have to find this now. Number of ways of each child goes to park. That means already 1 child is there. Select more 2 childs from the remaining 5 members. That can be done in how many ways? Select more 2 childs out of remaining 5 members can be done in 5C2 ways. So, by write the formula, that is each child goes to park is n minus 1 CR minus 1. n minus 1 CR minus 1. n is 6, R is 3. So, that is 6 minus 1 C3 minus 1. This value is 5C2. Or also we can say each child goes to park. That means select more 2 childs out of remaining 5 persons can be done in 5C2 ways. Otherwise, each child goes to park is by write the formula n minus 1 CR minus 1. We can get it is 5C2. See the next problem. A person with 6 words takes 3 at a time to a park without taking the same 3 children. Then how often, so n equal to 6, R is equal to 3, here also given. How often person go to park? Person goes to park. So person goes to park means select 3 children out of 6 persons in 6C3 ways. By write the formula NCR, we will get it is 6C3. To find the value of 6C3, 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1, by cancellation, the value is 20. So, person goes to park is NCR, child goes to park is N minus 1, CR minus 1.